Hi guys, let the destashing begin. Okay, right here I have two, I'm going to call them a kit, because I have all kinds of accessories that go with them. This is going to be a wedding kit. So this has Mr. and Mrs. It has memories. It has special moment. It has best ever, together, true love, family. I'm going to take those out. Let's see. I threw a whole bunch of stuff in here. I apologize. I probably need to see. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all the words that would be appropriate to go with that. So what happened was I had another kit that I made a wedding album with. So these are extra cutouts that I had left over. There's that. So I saved everything. And I'm including that. And then I have these, are they stickers? Yeah, stickers. So it starts with our wedding, bride and groom, the wedding party ceremony, happily ever after, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this is leftover. Oops. This is a paper pad that is long retired. And it is from the paper house. So here's a full paper pad, and then this paper pad, and then those scraps. Plus, I am including this, which I bought to use. I have a couple of these textured papers that I'm throwing in. Is there any more? Let me see. Yep. Okay, so I have some vellum. That means it's kind of see-through-y. And then the rest is from this paper pad. So it's different. It's hard to see. It's different patterns in a real pretty... There you go. Now you can kind of see. Okay. So I did use some of these, but I am throwing in the vellum and the textured. So all of that, okay, these two, this, the scraps, the stickers, and the wood words. I would like to get, so this is going to cost about $17.50 to ship. So I'd like to get 45 for the, the stuff. And then $17.50, let's just say $18 for shipping. So 45 plus 18. I guess I should turn it on. 45 plus 18. So $63 for the wedding. So that's going to be lot one, wedding. Ugh. All right. Let's move on to lot two, which is not this. All right. This I bought to do an album. This is what I was going to put on the front of the album. So I was going to rip the back off, and I was going to glue this on the front of the album. I thought it was so perfect. I did find this. Oh, see, this was $8. That's what I paid for this. I have these, which I had originally purchased to put on the front, and then I found that. So I'm including that. I have the 6x6. I did not use any of this. This is new. And it comes with, you know, all kinds of little carousel horses stuff. And this is an Authentique collection. Oh, here's another pony chipboard piece. This is the sticker page that you buy separately, so that's included. And then I have the 12 by 12, and I have not used any of it. It is all here. So this is going to be the same. 45. I know there's not as much, there's no wood stuff with it, but there's some chipboard, and there's this beautiful frame to go on the front that cost $8. So this is going to be 45 plus the $18 shipping, and that is $63. So for $63, you can make yourself either a beautiful wedding or a beautiful carousel album. Okay, guys, that is my first video. Please, like I said in the previous video describing how this is going to go, it's US only, PayPal only. You need to comment in the description box that you're going to email. Then email me. Please put in the title of the email what the title of this video is and what lot you want. So this would be lot 2, wedding would be lot 1. In the body of the email, please give me your PayPal email address. You do not need to give me your physical address, because whatever's in the PayPal is where I'm going to send it. First to email and to pay gets it. I'm not holding anything. Please, once I invoice you, plan to pay within 15 minutes. Thanks for watching. Lots more to come.